All right, I'm going to show you how to put a gap filler on one of our machines. Sometimes a customer needs a gap filler to fill this little gap between the edge of the flight and the sidewalls. So that's why they order a gap filling kit. It's pretty easy to put on, but there's a few little tricks. First of all, you have to have your belt on your conveyor. This we're just using as an example. You locate which is your first gap filler in the line. You could drop it right in like this. Make sure you got it lined up. It's right on top of your belts. Now the easiest way to do this is to take a black Sharpie, all right? Because what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to locate the back end of these little white plugs. See that? Because those have got to either get removed or you can just run a drill right through them if you want to. Let me show you how to remove them real quick. Just take a regular old screwdriver and a hammer, something like this, or even a drift if you got a little dowel or something. If you'd like to save these things for future use, because they are threaded and they just press in, so you might want to just hang on to them in case you ever need them. All right. So once you punch out your identified plugs all the way down the line, then what you do is you get a kit of this kind of gear. Okay, you got your hardware. You got a screw and you got a barrel nut, right? Screw's going to go on the inside. Barrel nut's going to come in from the outside. So then you can take your gap filler. Put your screw in, put your barrel nut on, tighten them all up, zoom, 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 just like that. Of course it helps if you have cordless, but we're going to do this as if you didn't. There you go, just like that. Just repeat the process all the way down the system until you're done.